everybody, and welcome back to Geo Tours with Danny, where you can travel without having to travel, and you can learn real fun facts along the way. And now, the destination for this week's edition of Geo Tours with Danny is none other than the Amazon Rainforest. First little fact that I'm going to share today is that, the Amazon rainforest is very big, obviously. But how big? Only so big that the UK and Ireland can fit in it 17 times. 17 times. Let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, come on. I wish I had that many fingers. The second thing I'm going to share today is that there's 2.5 million insects in the Amazon. If you're blathers from Animal Crossing, you will not like that. Ha 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 ha. The third fact of today, it's about a certain fish called the arapaima, which makes its home in the Amazon River. And it's one of the biggest freshwater fish that there even is. Like, there's not that much that can get bigger than it. And the cool thing about it is that it can breathe air. It has to come up to the surface regularly and breathe air. And it's got really sharp teeth. Real sharp. Like piranha sharp, I mean. And definitely one of my favorite fish to catch in Animal Crossing. Yeah, I know I mentioned Animal Crossing a lot in this video. Well, yeah, just that. And the last fact about the Amazon that I'm gonna share is that only 1% of the light makes it through the trees' canopies. Which, wow, dark. Okay, and now hints for the next destination. I shall give them to you, the viewers. This chain of islands is known as the world's premier sport fishing destination. And it's connected by 42 bridges, which again I cannot count with only these 10 fingers. Now, anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope that I see you at the next destination next Monday.